Hey Scott, how you doing? My name's Tony. I reached out to your company earlier today and spoke to Denise. She gave me this email address and mentioned that you might be the one that would be interested in watching this video. What I wanted to do was go over a couple of tips that will help you guys increase your online presence in a way that'll actually help generate you some more business via your website. I want to go over three of Google's main ranking factors and compare and contrast your website to one of your main competitors a bit. So I do this for free for small businesses. The only thing I ask is if you gain anything out of this, learn anything new, just reply to the email, give me any feedback you might have. It helps me out a ton. So what I want to go over first is content. Content's just the words and images here on your home page. We suggest having 2,000 words on your home page. Google really values authoritative, well-written content, and it's looking for websites that have more content and will generally rank them higher. So I'm showing you with 600 words approximately. One of your main competitors here, Prime Roofing, let's see what they've got. 694. So a little bit more than you, not bad. They would be very easy to outrank. If you get 2,000 words on your homepage, you're going to beat them out solidly. The one other thing that having that much content on your site will help you do is to get the keywords that people search for in your area onto the site. One of those keywords, for example, here is roofing, Jacksonville, FL. If I search your site for this keyword, nothing comes up. So you're not potentially going to rank for that and variations of that keyword. So with that, let's go over here to Google. I did this search. This gets searched about 300 times a month in your area. So at the top, you've got the Google guaranteed ads. That's paid ads. I don't want to talk about those today. Below that, we've got what we call the map pack. This is the area you want to be in the top three. About 70% of the searches in your area for this keyword will call or click one of these three listings. People just assume that the top three listings are going to be the best roofers in your area. You and I both know that's not necessarily true, but what they have figured out how to do is get up here. And one of those main ranking factors for that are called citations. And it's nothing more than the company name, address, and phone number out on directory sites around the web. Sites like Yellow Pages, Yelp, White Pages, Thumbtack, Angie's List. There's a ton of these things. You could do a simple Google search for citation websites and you'll get a list a mile long. Add your company's website or add your company to 10 to 20 of these a week. And over some amount of time, your Google My Business listing will start moving up in the rankings here in this area. Be very careful to be consistent with the way you enter the data. The company name needs to be exactly the same everywhere. The address, the phone number, they need to be exactly the same. So the area below the map pack is called the organic listings. These are more affected by what are called backlinks. And a backlink is just your company's URL in a clickable format on another website. Backlinks are not all created the same, though. You want to get backlinks from trusted websites, and if you can, niche relevant websites. So for you, that might be a home improvement website, another roofer, a home improvement blog. You could even go as far as writing a roofing blog article and reaching out to a blogger and offering them that article. And oftentimes they will trade you a backlink. Those bloggers want to keep their site active. They can't write all day long, so they'll happily take your content. So that's citations, that's backlinks. I'm sorry, that's content, citations, and backlinks. So what I want to do is grab Prime Roofing, since they're the first in this search, and take them over here to this product called Ahrefs. This is a paid product. I use it because of how nicely it displays all of the pertinent information. But there are free versions of similar types of software out there. Just do a Google search for backlink tracker or something like that. You'll find them out there. So Prime here, they have 629 websites pointing to them with backlinks. They're being found for about 4,100 keywords. That's generating them approximately 2.4 or 2,400 clicks a month. The beauty of this product is I can actually click in here and see which websites they're getting their links from. And this is a roadmap to getting to number one. All we have to do is go to these same websites when it finally decides to come up. Give me 1 second, I'll pause until it shows up. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so this is the roadmap to getting to first place. You go down, you go to all of these websites, and you see if you can't get yourself listed in them. easy peasy. Once you get yourself listed in all the ones they have, find a handful more, and over time you're going to actually rank above them. So let's look at your website. We show you being linked to from 176 different websites. You're getting about 160 keywords you're being found for 123 clicks. So let's go ahead and look at what you're being found for. So your company name, Metal Roofing, Jacksonville, Florida, you're at the bottom of page 1. That gets a lot of searches. So if you do a lot of metal roofs, that's a high ticket item for you. You want to get that ranking up higher. Roofing Contractors, Jacksonville, FL, 100 searches, you're on page 2. So these are the kind of keywords you want to be found for. Jacksonville Roofing Contractors, also page 2. So you're being found for a lot of these keywords, but your backlink profile is just not strong enough to push you up to the top of page 1. So instead of getting hundreds and hundreds of clicks, you're getting 100 and some clicks. So, if you're closing 10% of these, that's 12 roofs. If you get up to 300-400 clicks a month, obviously you can do the math there. That increases dramatically. So hopefully this was useful information for you. If it was, I would welcome any feedback. Again, just reply to the email. Let me know what you thought. And with that, that's all I've got for you. So I will let you go, and hope to hear from you. Thank you. Bye-bye.